All right, guys, welcome. My name is Jesse. I'm your instructional technologist. And today I want to go over how to set up Panopto proctoring for your students and in your classes. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to get into the actual course. Once you're in the course, we're going to select Panopto recordings. Okay, once Panopto recordings opens up, you'll see that we have a few different folders, or maybe you don't have any folders yet. The first thing we want to do is we want to create an assignment folder. So when we create an assignment folder, you can create add folder. And let's say right now it's quiz 2. Okay, we'll type in quiz 2. Enter. Go ahead and click on that folder. Once you come into this folder, we want to go up to the top right. You'll see this little gear. It's a settings gear. Okay, we'll click that, and this is where we want to create the assignment folder. Now, the assignment folder is basically where the students will be able to record and upload their videos while taking the exam, quiz, assignment, or anything like that. But it won't allow for them to see other students' assignments or other students' videos. So this allows for a little bit of security on their part and on yours. And it allows them to upload without having to have permission by you. This is the permission. Right? So we'll go ahead and create assignment folder. Okay. And as you see, it's taken up the name of the assignment or the folder that we just created. So quiz 2 assignments. All right. So we'll go ahead and close that. And once you're ready and you click on here, it says this folder contains no videos. Now, when a student comes in, they'll see the same thing, right? Now, what's it going to look like for a student whenever they are ready to create or work on the assignment that you've created this proctoring for? All right, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. All right, so I'm a student now, and as you can see, you'll be able to see as a student your quiz that's available, right? But before they even get to the quiz, the first thing we want to do is go to Panopto recordings. Once they go to Panopto recordings, they want to go to quiz 2 and quiz 2 assignments. Okay, so once the student is in the quiz 2 assignments folder, they'll want to hit create, record a new session. Okay, now at this point, it should ask you if you want to open or if you want to download. Now, I've already downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and click open link. Okay, once I click open link, you'll see this available to them. Now, here's what we want to do. We want to make sure that we have the correct video source selected. So in this case, I have the desktop webcam built-in selected, and I also have the built-in microphone selected. So when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that's done. And then I also want to make sure that my source down here is built-in display, right? So this will select, this is what's going to show my screen and everything that I'm working on at the moment, all right? Next thing I want to do is I want to make sure I'm in the right folder. So yes. And then I want to name my session. So my session is going to be quiz 2 and then my last name. All right. So when I'm ready, I'm going to hit record. Okay. I know I'm recording because right here it says recording and the time is going up. Once I'm ready, I'll go ahead and minimize this, and I want to go back to my quiz. So I'm going to go to the quizzes, select quiz 2, and take the quiz. Now, whenever I'm done taking the quiz and I'm ready to move on to the next thing, and I'm ready to finish, I'm going to go back to Panopto, make sure I hit stop, make sure my session is named correctly, and upload. Now make sure you wait for after the 100% as well. After the 100%, it will process. The 100% basically just says, okay, now we're ready for processing. All right, now it says complete. I'm ready to go. I'm done here. the next thing I can do is exit out of this. All right, so I've completed my quiz as a student, and now the only thing I have left to do is enjoy the rest of my day or move on to a next assignment. As the instructor, you have now a new video that you can check. Now, mind you, I said earlier the security protocols for this is because you created an assignment folder, other students will not be able to see other students' work, but you will. So you can see everybody's work as they're being uploaded. So why don't we get out of student view? Now let's go back to that Panopto recordings, right? Back in quiz 2 assignments. Now look at that. I have quiz 2 from student Hernandez. And right now, it's processing the podcast, which just means that it's processing the entire video. But if I wanted to, I've clicked on it now. Okay. I can go ahead and hit play. Now I can see the student working on this. Plus, I can also see exactly what they're working on their screen. So, like I said, this is a really great way. Another really great tool that Panopto uses proctoring for you. So if you, as an instructor, need a tool right now, especially with being online only, that you want to make sure your students are taking their exams and just their exams, this is a really great tool for that. If there are any other questions, please make sure to reach out to us. I'm here for any of those questions. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.